Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play Roblox while listening to music mobile. So let's start. I'm here to help you to do it. Following these steps, surely you will do it. So when we are playing on Roblox and the background music stops playing, I can help you with these steps. So first you have to open music app. You can, example, just do music or Spotify and start playing a song. So then you have to open the Roblox mobile app while the music is playing. If music stops as soon as Roblox app launches, resume the music from the notification panel so you can download the notification panel and then our music app and return Roblox app to the music process again, like this picture show you. That is how you can do it. And the background music should continue playing without any problem. So that is how you can do it, guys. As you can see, it's not difficult to do it. So only you have to go to the notification panel, just down it, and then you have to play it. So I recommend you to have Spotify Premium or YouTube Premium to have it, because sometimes if you don't have, well, it could be the factor that you can play music while you're playing the game. So I recommend you to have the premium plan for both of them. So I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, and if you like this video, don't forget to give thumb up to this video.